example 8.3. There is one helicopter here. The blade of the helicopter will do rotation at this axis. Okay, so angular velocity of this blade is 6.5 revolution per second and angular acceleration of alpha equal 1.3 revolution per second squared. Okay, there are 2 points on the blade, okay, point 1 and point 2. The question asks for the tangential velocity of these 2 points and tangential acceleration of the 2 points as well. Okay, so I mentioned before that this blade rotates at this axis. Okay, it is at the central, and the the first point is 3 meters from the axis of rotation. The second point is 6.7 meters from the axis of rotation. Okay, we will determine the tangential velocity and tangential acceleration of 2 points. Okay, the first one, because omega that given to you is 6.5 revolution per second, we have to convert it to radian per second. One revolution or one rotation. For one rotation, it's in circle. One circle is 2 pi radian. Okay, so times 6.5 times 2 pi radian. No need to do anything for the time because the unit given has been in SI unit, which is second. So omega in radian per second is 40.8 radian per second. For alpha, given to you, unit is in revolution per second square, right? So you have to convert it to SI unit as well, which is radian per second square. So 1.3 revolution per second square, you have to convert the revolution into radian. Okay, same like above, it is times with 2 pi. No need to do anything for the time because it has been in SI unit. So alpha in SI unit is 8.17 radian per second square. For point 1, okay, the question asks for the tangential velocity, right? So we choose formula of velocity that relate the linear motion and the rotational motion. So here is the formula. V equal R omega. Okay, we have the omega in SI unit. Radius in point 1 is 3 meter. So we will obtain the answer is 122 meter per second. For tangential acceleration, okay, so here is a formula of acceleration that relate between the linear motion and the rotational motion. Okay, so same, the radius is 3 meter and angular acceleration is 8.17 radian per second square, and you obtain the tangential acceleration 24.5 meter per second square. Now for point 2, okay, still the same formula, but now the radius for point 2 is 6.7 meter from the axis of rotation, and here is the answer. The same for the tangential acceleration, but in radius 6.7 meter. Okay, the angular acceleration is here, and you will obtain the answer.